Hello friends, so this is question number 18. The function of a bleeder resistance in an L section filter rectifier circuit is. So here option D is actually correct. Okay, let me explain why. So this is basically your L section filter, okay, or sometimes it is also called the LC filter. Okay, so this is called basically the bleeder resistor. Okay, and the function of the bleeder resistor is basically to discharge this particular capacitor if there is any charge. Okay, in order to discharge this particular capacitor, the bleeder resistor is used. Okay, let us see why. So this is basically a filter circuit, and say some load is connected, some amplifier, okay, is connected with this circuit, and say suppose it is operating right now. Okay, and suddenly you want to switch off the whole system. Okay, and so if you switch up this particular circuit, okay, so if you switch up the power supply and say you also remove this load, now this part is open. Okay, and let us assume that this particular bleeder resistor is not there. Okay, now a certain amount of charge is stored over here in this particular capacitor. Okay, now if somebody touches this particular line, okay, if the voltage across the capacitor is very high, he or she will feel some shock, electric shock. Okay, now in order to remove this particular thing, we add this particular resistor called the bleeder resistor. Okay, the purpose of this bleeder resistor is basically when you remove this particular load, whatever charge is present inside this particular capacitor, it will discharge through this resistor. Okay, so that if somebody touch this particular line, okay, he or she will not get any electric shock. Okay, so this is basically the purpose of bleeder resistor. So it does not increase or decrease the ripple of the circuit. It is main purpose is to discharge the charge stored in the circuit. So option D, I think it will be correct. Okay.